Today, we'll explore market pressures from Trump's tariff plans, a spike in inflation, and bearish trends in metals. Plus, key earnings, SIP inflow records, and crucial U.S. economic updates ahead. Early action at GIFT Nifty is suggesting a tough trading day ahead as traders fear Donald Trump's tariff plan will actually see the light of day. Please note, Trump had proposed raising tariffs on imports from all countries to as high as 20% and has said imports from China would be subject to a 60% tariff. Also, metal stocks are witnessing bearish action amidst disappointment over China's stimulus measures. The pessimism is such that even reports of monthly mutual fund SIP inflow hitting an all-time high, and most importantly, crossing 25,000 crore rupees mark is not reversing bearish sentiments. What's surprising is that Nifty and its stocks are also ignoring tumbling oil prices towards $68 a barrel. Long story short, downside risk remains for benchmark Nifty with immediate support at 23,500 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 3024 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 1854 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at around 14.59 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.88. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Nifty, CMP to 3883. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 23,535 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,337 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,700 and 24,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 51158. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 50,194 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,160 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 50,000 and 51500. Bias for the day is neutral. India's retail inflation hits 14-month high at 6.2% in October 2024 from 5.49% in the previous month, well above market expectations of 5.81% to mark the highest inflation rate in over 1 year. The negative takeaway was that the food prices soared 11%. In September, food inflation stood at 9.24%. Traders now await key US CPI and PPI data, along with comments from Fed officials, for insights on future Fed action. 1. Wednesday, 13th November, US October Consumer Price Index. 2. Thursday, 15th November, Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks. Bullish Wall Street traders will set their eye train to Powell's panel discussion for hints on future rate cuts, though he is likely stick to his data-dependent script. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are currently pricing in a 64% chance the Fed will cut the federal funds rate by a half percentage point at its next meeting in December and a 36% probability it will hold rates steady. The Q2 results to trickle in today, Wednesday, 13th November, Alkem, Apollo Tyre, Deepak Nitrite, Eicher Motors, Exicum, GNFC, GRSE, Idea, Nalco, NBCC, PEL, Senco, Sun TV, Taunt Power.